In the bustling town of Crescentville, there lived a curious and imaginative young boy named Aiden. Aiden was your typical high school student by day, but by night he transformed into an aspiring magician with a deep passion for all things magical. From practicing sleight of hand tricks in his room to mastering mind-bending illusions, Aiden's world was a captivating blend of reality and enchantment. One day, while scrolling through the internet for new tricks, Aiden stumbled upon the Misty Wonders online store. It was as if fate had led him to a haven of magic, a place where his dreams could truly take flight. Intrigued by the array of magic kits, props, and accessories, Aiden decided to reach out to the store owner, who turned out to be a seasoned magician named Professor Lumos. Impressed by Aiden's dedication to the art of magic, Professor Lumos not only helped him choose the perfect set of tricks, but also became his mentor. They exchanged emails, video calls, and even met in person during one of Professor Lumos's magic workshops. As Aiden delved deeper into the world of magic, his skills flourished, and he began inventing his own unique tricks that blended his personal style with classic illusions. Fueled by his passion, Aiden decided to share his journey with the world. He started a YouTube channel called Enchanted Pursuits, where he showcased his magic tricks, shared tutorials, and even chronicled his experiences attending magic shows and conventions. With the support of his mother and the magic-loving community he had found online, Aiden's channel began to grow in popularity. As Aiden's reputation spread, Misty Wonders took notice. Impressed by his dedication and creativity, they offered Aiden a collaboration opportunity. Aiden was invited to design a special edition magic kit, complete with his favorite tricks and a personalized touch. The kit, named Aiden's Enchanted Arsenal, quickly became a bestseller on the Misty Wonders website. With his YouTube channel flourishing and his magic kit making waves, Aiden's influence continued to expand. He started hosting virtual magic workshops, where he shared his tips and tricks with aspiring magicians from around the world. His charismatic personality and genuine love for magic drew people in, and he quickly became a role model for young magicians everywhere. In the end, Aiden's journey from a curious boy to a renowned magician was a testament to his determination, creativity, and the power of following one's passion. His story was not only about magic tricks, but also about finding a community, making connections, and inspiring others to chase their dreams. And so, the tale of Aiden and Misty Wonders became an enchanting reminder that sometimes the most magical things in life are the ones we create ourselves.